Hello friends, so welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in my previous video I have already discussed in detail about the concept of black hat transformation, which can be used to highlight the darker or blackish object in the whiter or light background, right? Now in this particular video we are going to check the same concept on one image which I have taken. So let me just write imshow a. Here I am reading one image RGB to gray, imread Capture.JPG, and if I run this particular part of the code, I'll be having this particular beautiful image where some white spots are there in dark background. Alright, now you just tell me that what is the histogram for this particular image will look like. See, idea is very simple. Histogram gives us the pixel intensity frequency distribution. So you can see that white and black, that is very less amount of gray range is present, either completely white or completely dark type. So in the two extreme part of the histogram, most of the pixels will concentrate, right? This particular idea we can get, and if I run imhist, we will be getting the same as we have tried to understand from the image, that in the smaller pixel intensity range and in the very high pixel intensity range, the pixels are distributed, not in the middle range, and if some are there, but those are very small in frequency, so you might not see them properly. Anyway, now suppose I want, let me just show you. So suppose I want to get the dark parts in the bright background. Okay, so what is the question? Try to understand. See, here one white background, here one white background, in between these two there is simple one dark part is there. I want to get this. Similarly, lots of places like here, in different places, in many places it is available that dark things in white surrounded patches. Okay, I want to get that. So what we can do? See, in simple words you can say, okay, all right, you can apply threshold. So what you can do, that we will traverse in the image, and whenever we will be getting some intensity level close to white or light intensity, then we will convert that to 0, and if we get some to dark intensity, we will convert that to white, and as the result we will be getting our result, right? Because dark will become white and white will become dark in that case. So what will happen? See, if I just remove imhist, and I have written the same algorithm, that is first calculating the size of the image and then traversing in the image using two for loop. If a of ij, that particular pixel having intensity greater than 100, that is closer to white color, we can say, then we will map to dark color, else that means that is closer to dark color, we will map to white color. Okay, to highlight the dark parts in this if else, in this internal for, in this external for, and then I am plotting original image and the output image. Okay, so if I run this particular code, see what output we are getting. So okay, let me just write here, this is image after performing black hat transformation. This is not the true line. Okay, Control A, evaluate selection. So we'll be having this one. Now you just try to understand. In this way, although the dark parts are now highlighted, but this is not giving output which we want. See, these particular dark parts, where the dark parts are actually not surrounded by white spots also, those also became white. Okay, this completely reverse thing is happening in the output. So whatever white, that is become dark, whatever dark, that is becoming white. But we don't want that. What we want, what I have told you, what we want, our requirement is this kind of places where there is a dark, little bit dark spots are present, which are surrounded by white things, not like that completely highlight all the dark parts. Okay, so here in this case we can apply black hat transformation, because I have told you what is the fundamental use of black hat transformation, that is to enhance the darker objects in the brighter background. So if you consider this particular thin separation in between these two white patches, you can consider that white is the background and dark part is the object, and you can apply black hat transformation to highlight this particular part, right? So what we can do, here I have written the same code, CLC clear all close all. Okay, let me just remove the close all part. I want to keep that figure also, previous figure, so that we can compare. Warning off, and then A equal to RGB to gray, imread capture, same image I am reading, and now I am performing closing my image, closing minus original image, that is black top hat transformation, using my structuring element as disk of radius 10. Why I have taken disk? Because our patches are white, that is circular shape, you have seen, right? See, our patches are mostly white and circular nature, so it will properly fit with disk nature structuring element, so I have chosen that, and then subtracting my original image from the closed image and plotting the same. Okay, so before plotting here, just let me give figure. Okay, now if I run this particular part of the code, I'll be having this particular output. Okay, now see here our intention is fulfilled. What we wanted that the dark parts which are in between white patches, basically we can say that dark objects in the bright background we wanted to highlight, and that's what only happening, not these particular dark regions which are not at all surrounded by white patches, those are not highlighted. But see which parts are highlighted, like this part. Consider here these particular thin dark lines are basically highlighted by or surrounded by white patches, that is those are present in bright background, so you can see those parts are highlighted how beautifully here. Okay, and same goes for the whole part. Now if you compare this one, and let me just make this bit bigger, so this image and this image, you just understand what is the difference. Okay, so here every dark spots are highlighted, but if you want certain dark spots should be highlighted, then you can apply beautiful transformation technique, which is black top hat transformation, or also called bottom hat transformation. Okay, now let's try to use inbuilt MATLAB function for this. So what we are doing here, image closing minus image. So instead of that, you can use direct inbuilt function, that is imbothat, this bottom hat. So for bottom bot and hat hat. Okay, that's all. Rest of the code same like earlier. We have chosen the structuring element, pass the image and the structuring element through imbothat, this bottom hat transformation. That's all. This is the inbuilt function which will perform black top hat transformation or bottom hat transformation directly. Okay, and if I run the code, I'll be getting as expected our previously we have seen same output. Okay, so this is one kind of beautiful application of black top hat transformation. Like this interesting application you can do with the concepts whatever I am discussing, play with it, implement in your project, you will have fun, and you will find this domain also interesting. Same code will be posted in the description box, and if you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.